Hey there. So Kyle and I are going to share something fun with you today. We are doing the 2-day Hua Hin adventure bike experience. We've got those 2 dirt bikes right there. And today, what are we going to focus on, Kyle?
Learning how to ride a dirt bike.
And what are we going to do tomorrow?
A 120 kilometer trek, I think.
150.
150.
That's almost 100 miles.
Yeah.
We're going to go up mountains. We're going to go through jungles. We're going to outrun lions and tigers,
Yeah.
wild elephants. We're going to cross rivers.
Yeah.
We're going to ride in the snow and a whole bunch of other stuff. So today we're going to focus on skills, right, Kyle?
Yep.
So thanks for joining us. I'll put a link down below. I'll actually put a QR code also on the screen to where they are. And we'll see you in a bit. So this is where we'll be for probably a good part of the day. Not much to crash into here, Kyle.
Yeah.
Just feel the point. So you can feel it's there.
Yeah.
Do that there.
Okay.
Just a bit. It's a very small movement. Pull the clutch in, and then you put it into first gear. Just get used to that clutch point there. For a little longer stretches, and when you move, put your feet on the pegs for a couple of seconds, and then do a stop. Just get used to getting in the riding different. That's easy.
All right, he's past lesson number 1.
Movement what you're doing there, it's all the movement you need to do. You don't need to do any more.
Alright. I'll give it a good shot.
So give it a go first,
Alright.
second gear, and then
So now that we got basic riding and shifting skills under our belts, we spent the next 30 minutes doing low speed figure 8s, but we did them in all the gears, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, learning clutch management. Awesome.
starts to struggle. But then higher gears is just amplifying your mistakes. So if you're making a mistake, it's going to show as you go up the gears. So ride around and then apply it to that.
We then moved on to the next skill, and that was going to be riding and shifting while standing up. Better for bumps, going up hills, and just bike control.
So you're nice and level. You do lean with it a little bit, but you want to be feeling like your body weight stays upright. That's good.
Hey there. We're about halfway done day 1. We've done basic skills. We started with clutch control, which never really rode a dirt bike before, but it's all about clutch control, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Totally different than driving a stick shift on a car, meaning you don't ride the clutch in a car, but on dirt bikes you do. You're on the clutch a lot.
Oh yeah.
And you're feathering the throttle and the clutch, and it gives you much better control. Then we did figure 8s, and we were doing that with clutch control all the way up to 6th gear at slow speed, which, to be honest with you, is something I never thought possible. I thought 6th gear was made for going fast, but we were going like 3 miles an hour.
Yep.
All clutch control. And then we were standing up, body position standing up, and then we were doing figure 8 standing up. And because we've done so good today, what are we doing next?
trail, a technical trail.
A technical trail. We are going in the dirt, like sand, and we're gonna do some rocks. So I don't know how much video I'll get of it, but I'll do my best. And Kyle's gonna have his camera with him. Kyle's doing a YouTube video today as well. Kyle, what's your channel?
Dion's Travel.
I'm gonna put
Dion's Travel.
and right now I'm gonna put a QR code right on his face.
Right
So
here.
what you need to do is pause the video right now, scan that QR code, and subscribe to his channel, because his channel's a lot more interesting than mine if you're into family stuff and cute kids. So that's what you'll get now. And now I gotta get off this shot because Kyle has to do his part of the video.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
What happened, Kyle?
I just went flying over the handlebars.
Did you downshift
Yeah.
to like first? And
No,
the back
second.
tire locked up?
The second, and then yeah, I just like hit the sand, and then I flew over the handlebars going like 15 miles per hour,
Nice.
and I landed on my feet somehow.
Don't do that again.
What's up?
Don't do that again.
No, that hurt.
So we then finished our day doing a little bit of a technical section. Kyle and I had no problem shifting and clutch control and standing up and all that kind of stuff. So then he felt as though before our true adventure ride tomorrow that we should go do some technical riding. And it wasn't very difficult, but I'll share that with you now. So there was this area that we went to, just a short ride from the open parking lot. And I would estimate that it's probably about a 3-mile loop. You can see off to the left-hand side, there's a water retention pond, and there's a trail that goes along the side of it. There's a few little sections, little downhills like this, little bumps, little rocky sections, a small uphill, some loose sand and all that kind of stuff. So it gave us a good overview of some of the things we might encounter if we become adventure bike riders, which Kyle's already been on his second ride. So we really enjoyed our time there. And our plan is also to sign Nadia and Kim up for a one-day version of this course. So enjoy the rest of the video. This is just going to be a simple ride around the technical course that they have for us. Also, without the lessons, believe it or not, I'm 100% sure I would have struggled, and Kyle would have struggled. We've each ridden motorcycles before, but there is a little bit different skill to riding a dirt bike and riding the clutch and standing up and braking and all that kind of stuff. So we learned a lot. Looking forward to sharing the rest of this little ride with you. And in the next video, we'll share with you our almost 100-mile adventure ride. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, I'll put on the screen Hua Hin Adventure Rides, and I'll put QR codes to their Facebook page and their website. So for now, Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
That was good. That was a good one. Thank you.